Hey guys, this is Vishnu Solanki and you are watching Step Up Maths. So today we are starting our example series 5 of chapter number 2 Polynomial Standard 9 NCERT. Okay, so you see here I am writing method number 7. So total 1 to 6 method I already completed in my previous video. You just watch it first, then after here. So this identity you already see. A plus B plus C the whole square means a square plus b square plus c square minus 2 in bracket ab plus bc plus sc. Now we just have to elaborate this whole formula here. You see this is the 4x square, 9y square, 16z square. So now we all know that the 4x square is a square of 2x. Okay, I can write 9y square is a square of 3y and 16z square is a square of 4z. First of all I am take all the numbers positive. Okay, देखो सबसे पहले सारे के सारे numbers को आपको positive ले लेना है. Then after according to this we just have to apply here signs. A square plus b square plus c square. Okay, I already formed. Now minus 2. Actually here will be plus 2. Now what is this? AB plus BC plus AC. I create this form actually. A square plus B square plus C square plus 2. AB plus BC plus AC. Now I am putting the value of A, B and C over here. AB, this is the value of A. This is the value of B, 3y. AB. Now BC. B, this is the value of C. Now AC, A, and this is the value of C, 4z. First of all, I am taking all the value positive. Now check it. अब इसको आपको check करना है, and according to this you have to apply here sign. First of all, ये तीनों पे focus मत करो. Don't focus on these three things. Okay, let's focus here. This is the 12xy. 3 2s are 6 2s are 12. I already take it. Okay. 4 3s are 12. 12 2s are 24. Yes, it will come. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. It's also come. Now here only sign difference. Here is a plus sign. So simple. Here is a plus sign. So here is also plus. Plus 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 and plus will multiply with the plus and also will get plus. But here is a minus. Here is a minus, तो इन दोनों में से एक टर्म माइनस होगा. तो by try and error method, just assume this is negative. Just assume this is negative. Listen, whenever you assume any number, first of all you just assume and then after check. पहले assume करो और उसके बाद उसको check करो. Now check. Plus minus, minus, minus plus, minus. I get it. Now this is minus 4x. So this also it will be also minus. Again plus minus 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 plus minus. आ गया minus. So that means among these three terms your 4z is a negative term. Your 4z is a negative term. और ये सारे के सारे जो इक्वेशन है उसको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैसे किया गया है? A plus B plus C the whole square से. So I just contract this. 2x plus 3y A plus B plus C. But actually C is a negative. Then minus 4z the whole square. This is your answer. Okay. In the previous example actually we solved this whole example and get this. Okay. But now here we have to contract. ये बड़े से बड़े इक्वेशन को हमें कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करके ऐसा आंसर लेके आना है. पुराने एग्जाम्पल में क्या था, इसको हम इलोबरेट करके ये आंसर लेके आते हैं. बट नाउ वी हैव टू कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिस एंड गेट दिस आंसर. ओके, सो दैट्स हाउ दिस इज सॉल्व्ड. नाउ लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2 xy plus 4 root 2 yz minus 8xz. Now how can we solve? Again, simple, using this formula. 2x square is the square of which number? The square of root 2. Oh, I'm sorry. So now here we have to think which number square is 2. किसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो 2 होगा, तो ऑब्वियसली रूट 2 का स्क्वायर करेंगे तो वो 2 होगा. रूट 2 स्क्वायर किसका स्क्वायर करेंगे तो y स्क्वायर होगा, ऑब्वियसली दिस इज y. And 8 is a 2 root 2 square. 2 root 2 square is a 8. Again 2 square 4 root 2 square 2. 4 2s are 8. Again I am taking all the terms positive first of all. Now plus 2 a into b means we have to multiply this 2 root 2x and y. B into C means we have to multiply this 2 y into 2 root 2 z and A into C means we have to multiply root 2x and C 2 root 2 z. Okay, first of all I am taking all the terms positive. Now just apply the sign. Okay, don't focus on these 3 terms. इन तीनों पे फोकस नहीं करना है. Now let's focus on this. Your first term is a negative term. Then we have to create negativity here. कैसे यहाँ पे create negativity होगी? यहाँ पे negativity कैसे create होगी? How? Simple. Among these two terms, the one term is a negative term. Let's assume this is negative. Let's assume this is negative. I just assume. Then after I am checking. Plus, minus, minus. Okay, I get it. Root 2s is a negative. Now, जहां पे भी root 2x आपको दिखे, whenever you see root x in the example, you just put the negativity. This is negative. Okay, now I am checking. Plus, minus. Here is a plus. I get plus minus and minus plus minus. Okay, now I get my example. ऐसे ही first of all आपको सारे के सारे साइन पॉजिटिव ले लेने हैं. Then after you have to check these 3 signs. Okay, now this is the expanded form of this. So whenever I contract, I just write here 3 terms only, a, b and c. This is a, root 2x, but you know that root 2x is a negative, then you have to put here minus. B, this is b, and c, this is c, the whole cube. See, this is this term that I am writing in the form of a plus b plus c whole square. ओके, सो इस तरह से आपको मेथड नंबर 7 के एग्जांपल सॉल्व करने हैं. Now we are starting method number 8. So I am writing here our algebraic identity. You already seen in my last lecture. A plus b the whole cube. The expanded form is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab plus a plus c into a plus b. So now it's already expanded. ये already expanded है ही है. You just have to contract this. आपको इसको contract करके ये फॉर्म में लेके आना है. ये already ये फॉर्म में बना हुआ है. Okay, let's compare this. A cube. So simple 8a cube. किसका क्यूब है? Which number's cube is a 8a? Obviously this is 2a cube. 2 cube 8, a cube a cube. B cube is a cube of B. C. First of all, I will take all the terms positive. Then after I will put sign. A cube plus B cube. Now what is this? 3ab. 3ab. What is b? B. And a plus b. A plus b means addition of these two. You can see here I'm putting the value of, I'm putting 2a in place of a and I'm putting b in place of b. Simple. अगर कंपेयर किया जाए तो a की जगह पे 2a है और b की जगह पे b है. Now again check the sign. This is 8a, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, the b has to be minus. यहाँ पे माइनस होना चाहिए. तो माइनस बी क्यूब, देन इट विल बी माइनस. ओके, तो जहां पे भी whenever you see any b, you have to put there minus. Here is a minus, and you have to put here minus also. Okay, you have to put here minus also. Simple. Your equation is formed. Check. 2a cube, 8a cube, minus b cube, minus b cube. 3 2s are 6. Wait. Yes, 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. Plus minus, minus. 3 2s are 6. 6 a, b into b, b square, minus, minus, plus. I already checked. Now I just have to write in this form, a plus b the whole cube. So now a plus b the whole cube. I am not writing here plus because b is a negative in this example. This is your answer. Okay. Now second example. Again this is the expanded form. We just have to contract this. 27 minus 125 a cube minus 135 a plus 225 a square. Again compare this. This is a square. This is a cube of which number? 3. This is 3 cube. This is 5a the whole cube. I am writing here plus. Simple. I am taking all the terms. First of all positive. Then after I will put sign. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab. You see 3ab. This is a. This is b. You see in this example I am putting 3 in place of a and 5a in place of b. A plus b means 3 plus 5a. Okay. Again. Now check the sign. This is minus. This is minus. This is plus. This is plus. So we actually know that this sign will always be plus. Now this sign is a minus. So obviously this is a minus 5a. Here is a minus 5a because the minus cube will be minus. So whenever you see minus 5a in example, you just have to put minus there. This is minus 5a. Then here it also be minus, and here it also be minus. Now this is a expanded form of this. Now you just have to contract this a plus b the whole cube. You just have to write in this form a plus b the whole cube. This is your answer. Okay. Now one more example. We have to solve. Now third example of method number 8. Again this is expanded form of this equation. This algebraic identity. Okay. So now again check. Which number's cube is 27? 3p. We all know that 3p's cube is 27. Mostly students get panic after watching this. But actually this is a very easy example compared to others. This is a cube of 6. First of all I am taking all the number positive. Then after I will check sign. A cube plus b cube. Now see the identity. Now here is a 3ab. So I am writing here 3ab. Okay, 3ab. I am putting 3p in place of a and I am putting 1/6 in place of b. And here is a plus b. A plus b means we have to put here 3p plus 1/6. Now let's check sign. Here is a minus. So simple. This is the negative term. So whenever you see 1/6 in the example, you have to put there minus. That will be also minus. Okay, now we have to write this whole example into this form, a plus b the whole cube. So here is a plus b the whole cube. This is your answer. See, it's very easy. अगर आपको तभी भी पता नहीं चलता है स्टूडेंट, still you not understand, you just copy this and then put here a whole cube. आपको ये देख देख के यहाँ पे लिखना है और उसका होल क्यूब कर देना है, क्योंकि ये a माइनस बी ही तो है, ये a प्लस बी ही तो है, और a प्लस बी का ही हमें क्या करना है, क्यूब करना है. So now we are starting our method number 9. Keep watching. So now we are starting our method number 9. Here's your new identity. Let's see. A cube plus b cube. It's not a plus b the whole cube, okay? It's a cube plus b cube, separate cubes. The expansion of this, that is a plus b, okay? A square, opposite to this sign. Here is a plus, then you have to put here minus. A square plus multiplication of this two, ab plus b square, okay? In the next method, in the method number 10, we have to verify this. हमें ये verify करना है, हमें ये prove करना है in the next method. But in this method, we have to just apply it. Okay, so now you see this is in the form of a cube plus b cube. Which number's cube is 27? You know that 3. Okay, and this is a cube of 5. So now compare this. Whenever I compare these two, there is a value of a. Value of a is 3y, and value of b is 5z. Now simple, I just have to put these two values in this equation, then I get answer. A plus b means 3y plus 5z. Now I am writing entire example in the form of this expanded form. A square means 3y square, it will be 9y square, okay, minus a into b means we have to multiply these two. 5 3s are 15, y into z, yz, okay. Now b square plus b square means 25 z square. This is your answer. ओके, अभी इन बिटवीन मैं आपको होमवर्क नहीं दे रहा हूं, बट एट लास्ट ये पूरे के पूरे वीडियो के बाद में लास्ट में आपको होमवर्क आज का दे दूंगा. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर स्टार्टिंग अवर मेथड नंबर 10. दिस इज योर मेथड नंबर 9. इन अ मेथड नंबर 10 यू जस्ट हैव टू वेरीफाई दिस फॉर्मूला. आपको ये चेक करना है, वेरीफाई करना है वेदर LHS इज इक्वल टू RHS और नॉट. ओके, हाउ कैन वी वेरीफाई? सिंपल, take RHS, solve and get LHS. Here is the RHS is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, now we have to get this answer among this. Okay, now solve. Now a will multiply with this all the terms, and b will multiply with this all the terms, means with this 3 terms. A into a square, a cube, a into ab, a square b, a into b square, ab square. Okay, now I multiplied a with these 3 terms. Now the time of b into a square, ab square. Sorry, b into a square b. Okay, b into ab minus ab square, and b into b square, that is b cube. Now we have to check a square b cancel, ab square cancel, and our answer is a cube plus b cube. This is our LHS. So now we are ending our lecture series 5. टोटल 10 मेथड आज हमने पढ़ लिए अच्छे से, ठीक है. सो और एक एग्जाम्पल सीरीज आएगी कल, आपको देखना है. इट विल बी द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल सीरीज, और लास्ट एग्जाम्पल सीरीज रहेगी चैप्टर नंबर 2 की. नाउ आई एम राइटिंग योर टुडेज होमवर्क. सो आई राइटेड हियर होमवर्क. सो the first example, a plus b the whole cube, you have to verify the same that I have already verified a cube plus b cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube में मैंने जैसे verify किया है, the same way you have to verify a cube minus b cube. The second example, 64 m cube and 3 minus 343 n cube. You have to solve this example by your previous identity a cube minus b cube. Okay, and the third example you have to solve by a plus b the whole cube identity. Okay, thank you and have a good day.